Hello dear viewers, a very warm welcome to our channel. It's very good to have you here. In this video we're going to have a look at 10 driving habits that can ruin your engine. Always remember, your engine is the heart of your car, but bad driving habits can destroy it faster than you think. So avoid the following deadly mistakes to keep your engine running smoothly for years to come. Number 1. Ignoring the check engine light. Small issues like a loose gas cap can turn into a catastrophic failure if you don't take action on time. So every time there is a check engine light illuminated on your dashboard, scan for error codes. Use an OBD2 scanner as soon as possible to figure out what is causing the check engine light to turn on. And then the error has to be cleared, the problem has to be fixed. Small problems, if not attended, can lead to catastrophic engine failure. Number 2, reviving a cold engine. This is a very deadly bad experience, bad habit. Oil hasn't circulated if the engine is cold, then metal grinds against metal. So the first starting is very crucial. If you revive your engine, it's like grinding the engine parts. When there is metal on metal friction due to lack of lubrication, that will dramatically accelerate wear on your engine parts. So wait for oil has to reach every component. Idle your engine for about 60 seconds before reviving. Let the engine idle, and then once oil has circulated, you can start driving your vehicle. So reviving a cold engine is very deadly to the engine. 3. Running on low oil. When there is less lubrication inside the engine, when there is low oil, friction increases, and this leads to overheating and seizure of engine parts. Especially the pistons might seize, or the connecting rod to the crankshaft or the crankshaft on the main bearing have high probability of seizure if oil is not well fed. So check oil every 2 to 3 fuel fill-ups and make sure that the oil is at the correct level. If oil replacement is due, make sure that you are always replacing with the recommended oil quality, oil type, and oil quantity. 4. Redlining the engine or over-reviving even after it has reached its operating temperature. Excessive RPM overheats the valves and wear out engine parts and bearings. So shift before hitting the red line, unless it is an emergency. Some drivers have a habit of over-reviving their engine continuously, making it roar. That is not a good habit. Always avoid that bad driving habit. Excessive idling, excessive engine RPM can accelerate wear. 5. Lugging the engine. This is where you drive the engine at extremely low RPM. This is when higher gear and low speed is combined. This can result in excessive strain on engine parts like pistons, for example. So don't wait for the engine to drop. Shift quickly, downshift when climbing hills or accelerating. Doing that will prevent the engine from running at extremely low RPM. Number 6. Delaying oil change. This is also very critical. Dirty oil turns into sludge, and that will clog critical parts and oil passages. So change oil every 5,000 to 7,000 miles, or as recommended on your service manual. Otherwise, dirty oil change have a probability of making gum sludge that will clog oil passage to critical engine components like the crankshaft, like the piston, and other parts as well. 7. Ignoring strange noise like knocking noise, ticking, or grinding noise. These are early warning signs of bearing failure, timing chain issue, or detonation. So every time you hear a strange sound, diagnose immediately before it is too late. 8. Using the wrong type of fuel. Low octane fuel in a high compression engine can lead to knocking, and knocking is very destructive. It can lead to catastrophic engine failure. Always use the recommended octane rating for your engine. 9. Frequent short trips. Never warming up the engine is another problem. In this case, moisture will build up, causing corrosion and sludge. So take longer drives occasionally to burn off condensation. And finally, number 10, aggressive driving, such as hard acceleration and braking. This will result in overheating, it will overheat the engine, it will wear out the piston parts, and it will also lead to excessive wastage of fuel. So always try to drive smoothly like there is an egg under your pedal. By doing so, you can prolong the service life of your engine. And in addition, never skip maintenance. Replace air filters, spark plugs, and belts on schedule. Fix coolant leaks before they become cause for engine overheating. Well, dear viewers, that is all we have for you regarding some of the things that can shorten your engine life and lead to costly repairs. Break them now to avoid a blown engine. If you find this video helpful and if you like what has been presented, please smash the like button. If you are new to this channel, do subscribe, turn on notifications so that you will be the first to get notified whenever we come up with another video. Until then, stay safe.